Hello guys and welcome back to the channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to create a website with Payhip. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in payhip.com. After that, let's see what we have in front of us here. So as you can see in the top corner we have the dashboard, product, store, analytics. We have the marketing, customers. We here have the of course chat, and we have the account. And here we have, of course, add your first product, setup check, customize store design, etc. But now, guys, let's see how you can actually go and create a website with Payhip. So basically, what you actually going to need to do is go to the top side of the screen, here where you have the dashboard, and go to the store. Now, your store. Control all aspects of your store, look and feel by using the powerful store builder. You just need to go and click on launch your store builder here. Then it'll start loading, and here you can go and, as you can see, please add your first product before customizing your store. So basically you have to go and add your first product. You can choose if it is a digital product or whatever. And then when you of course upload the products, you need to go and put the product name, the price, cover, description, everything. And then you need to go and click add product, and then your store will be also created. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, as always, until next time, bye guys.